Gwan YouTube. Today on Marcus Anthony Table, jerk chicken. Let's do it. So, how do you make jerk sauce? First, peel onions, slice, give them a rough chop. Next, slice scallions, ginger, and smash some garlic. Don't get super critical about how much you use, if a little bit of skin's on, if it's crushed the right way or the wrong way. Just enjoy the process. It's your jerk sauce. Add fresh thyme and pimento leaves. Add some bay leaf as well. Cinnamon sticks. Crush, drop them in. Now let's add Scotch bonnet. I like to add fresh and dry. Drizzle a few cups of soy sauce. And let's sweeten it up with some brown sugar. Cut some limes and squeeze some fresh lime juice into your jerk sauce. Always try to go with fresh lime juice if available. The almighty allspice berry. Dried and sent straight from yard. Now, add some dark rum. Try to use dark rum from Jamaica. That way all of the flavors are coming from the same place. Next, drizzle some olive oil in, about a cup or two. Hit the on button on your Cuisinart and blend it all together. Add some Worcestershire sauce. Blend some more. Now, using the freshest chickens you can possibly get, cut each chicken in half. Or go down the backbone and the top side of the chicken, making two perfect halves of chicken. We do this so this jerk sauce can get into every crack and crevice and completely cover all the surfaces of the chicken. That's gonna make for the best flavor and the way for the marinade to actually sink into the chicken's core. Squeeze some fresh lime juice over all of the chickens and give them all a rub with the limes. You want that nice citrus flavor. Flip, do the same thing. Set your limes aside, don't discard them, we're gonna use them later. Now, add some dry brine, heavily season your chicken, sprinkle from high up. And of course, add some hot Gwan. Jerk chicken is all about spice. So if and when you're eating your jerk chicken and you don't have a little bead of sweat on your brow, you didn't add enough or you took it a little too easy. Flip over, add dry brine, and Gwan again. We want to season every square inch of this chicken. Don't be shy. Heavy on the Gwan. Now get your hands involved. Rub that seasoning all into the chicken. Place your chickens into a bowl. Add some sauce first. Drop your chickens in. Using your hands, rub that marinade into all the crevices of the chicken and repeat with all of your chicken. The more you rub, the more love. Get your hands involved. Add your limes back and put in your refrigerator for at least 8 hours. but try for overnight. Traditionally, jerk chicken is smoked over pimento wood and an open flame. But pimento wood is extremely hard to source in the United States because it comes from the Caribbean and it's expensive to get over here. But we live in a beautiful time where we're gonna combine allspice berries with cherry wood pellets, which will give us the flavor of pimento wood. It's the closest thing. So, I'll show you what that's like. We have pellets and we have allspice berries we're going to put in the hopper together. Turn your Traeger on and set to 225. We're going low and slow. We're soaking the pimento leaves because they're going to be the bed that the chicken lays on top of. Soaking them will give it moisture and allow it to not dry out over time while we smoke our jerk chicken. Open your grill and make a nice bed with your pimento leaves. This is going to be the bed that your jerk chicken sits on top of as it smokes. Lay each half of chicken right on top of your pimento leaves. Arrange them neatly, side by side. Put an instant read thermometer into the thickest part of one of the pieces of chicken. I generally go with the one that's the furthest away from the heating element so that I know that everything is cooked before then. So, after the first hour, pop a red stripe. Give every piece of chicken a nice red stripe shower. Baste with your jerk marinade. This is an 18-hour jerk chicken. So we're gonna marinate every hour and a half. Come back, marinate some more. Close your grill, come back, pop another red stripe. Give it a shower. You could see as the time goes on, the color is starting to change. It's getting golden brown. That's time, patience, and low heat. Bathe it with some more red stripe. Some people like their jerk chicken regular, no sauce, just chicken and bread. I tend to like it like that, but for those who like it sauced, let's make some for them too. Add some olive oil into a pot and add your leftover jerk marinade. We want to cook the marinade so that any rawness in the marinade comes out. You wouldn't want to add the marinade straight to our already made sauce. Let's add a heavy pinch of Gwan. No measurement needed. We're going for flavor. Saute your Gwan. You'll see the marinade start to reduce. Cut a bulb of garlic in half, add that, and now let's go in with a generous pour of that Jamaican dark rum. Stir. Let's pop a red stripe and add some of that as well. We're going for maximum flavor here. Stir. Watch all your flavors meld and combine. We're on medium to low heat here. Now, turn it up a notch. Let's add some espresso. Sweeten it up with some honey and some maple syrup. Why not? Maximum flavor. for a nice citrus punch. Let's add the peel from a lime. We have some beautiful fresh tangerines here, so let's cut those in half and add the juice from those. I do this over a strainer as to not get any seeds into the sauce. Squeeze all your tangerine juice in. Let's take it another step. Put some Cuban mango in there. Give it a taste. Delish. Let's add a little more lime, a little more acidity. Bring it up to a boil. Let it cook a little bit to thicken up and start to baste your jerk chicken with your sauce. Reserve your glaze. I like to keep this in a jar. Serve it on the side and start to remove our jerk chicken. Place it all on a board. Each delicious piece of this 18-hour smoked jerk chicken. You can see the flavor. You can see the texture. That happens with time, preparation, layering of flavors. Now, sharpen your cleaver. We're almost there. Jerk chicken has to be chopped. We chop in nice, not quite bite-sized pieces, bigger than bite-sized, handful pieces. Eating jerk chicken is all about using your hands. Lay all your pieces out on a platter. And now you'll see how the chicken just pulls apart. By now you should have a nice crowd around. Let's put some garnish. Nice fresh rosemary. You can always eat a fresh piece of rosemary with every bite of jerk chicken if you'd like to. That is an 18-hour smoked jerk chicken. Bring it to the table. Serve with some pickled Scotch bonnet. Greens, of course. Some bread, hardo bread if you have it. Otherwise, a nice garlic baguette always goes well. And there you have it. To everybody out there who enjoys jerk chicken, to everybody out there who enjoys food, thanks for joining. It's Marcus Anthony's Table. Jerk chicken, Gwan style. Peace and love. Eat jerk chicken. Share with your people. Until next time, y'all. Bless up.